Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to change the language in the Google Photos app. This tutorial will be available on Android and iOS, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you have to do is to click on your profile icon in the top right. So now once you have clicked on your profile icon, click on Manage your Google account. Go to Personal Info, it should be at the top. So click on it and then scroll down a bit until you find the language option. Click on Language, and then here this page will open. Scroll down a bit, you will see your preferred language and the other languages. You can delete the languages that you don't want to keep and you can add other ones. Click on add another language and then here type any language that you want to add. Let's say for example Chinese, Mandarin or whatever. And then here you will have this little arrow to make it your primary language, or you can also delete it if you have added it by mistake or if you just want to delete it. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.